Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another video, and would you believe me if I told you that this was a crochet wig that I made? Well, believe it. So the hair that I'm using is from EayonHair. I have 3 packs of their deep wave crochet hair, which is equivalent to like 6 small packs. So this is what the hair looks like. This is my first time ever doing crochet anything, so making this wig, it literally took me 2 days. Like, I wanted to take my time, and it was also like a learning process for me as well. I watched a ton of videos, so I'm just going to show you guys the process that I took to make this. I am using a crochet weaving wig cap. I can't braid, so crocheting it on my hair kind of didn't make any sense, and I love me a removable unit, so this was the best option for me. It is quite time consuming, but kind of once you get the hang and the flow of it, it moves pretty fast. Despite the fact that I took 2 days to make this, it's because I needed a break. But all you need is a good old crochet needle, and since I've never crocheted hair before, I can appreciate that this crochet hair has like strings. I watched a ton of videos, and some of the hair is just like loose hair, which is cool, but this, I'm kind of happy that this was my first experience with crochet hair with the string method, because it's easier to kind of tie it, if that makes sense. Well, I guess I don't have anything to compare it to, but this way just seems a lot easier. Okay, so since I made this into a wig, the install process is super easy. I'm not braiding my hair down or anything. All I am doing is putting on this wig cap to secure my hair. And to make sure that my wig is nice and secure, I sewed a few combs in the unit, and that is it. I'm just putting it on, and the cap is super comfortable. It's nice and stretchy. It's breathable, so I can scratch my scalp, and yeah, it's just a nice overall fit. So this is my second time making this video. I'm just kind of trimming up some loose ends, but I already cut layers into this unit, so that's why it has like the layered look already. And I did end up using all of the hair. I added some pieces in the back after I'd already cut layers into it to kind of make it a little bit longer and give it that like triangle shape in the back, and I absolutely love it. The hair, it just is so pliable. Is that a word that I'm trying to use? It's just easy to move the hair left and right because it's crocheted, so it's not stiff at all. I can have like it on the left, on the right. I can wear it pulled all the way back, put a headband on however I want to do it. But as far as the blending, I am taking the smallest amount of leave out, and I'm just gonna go in with my pencil curling iron to curl my hair to blend in with this hair. So that's all I'm about to do.
All of these niggas be on you. all too good. I'll share my world with
And now that I'm all done with that, making sure my cap is covered and all of that, you guys know I have to go in with some edge work, so I'm taking my curling iron and curling my edges. I don't know if it's like a mind thing, but sometimes I feel like my edges lay better if I curl it first, which I know I said this before. I'm really going to stop doing that because I don't think it is good for our hair, but I literally can't help it. But anyways, that's all I'm doing. I did use some foam. I love foam on my edges. I just feel like it lasts all day. It doesn't turn white. It doesn't turn flaky. It's just the best. So this is what the hair is looking like. It's so full. It's so voluminous. I absolutely love this. Like, why did I not ever think about crocheting a wig? It's just so flexible. I love it. So I'm just doing the same to the opposite side, doing my edges, and that is all. So yeah, this is the final look. This is what the blend looks like up close. I'll be sure to list all of Eayon's hair info in the description box for you guys, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!